Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to get free connects on Upwork. I will teach you how to get free connects. You can just open the Upwork and you will just on the community guideline how to get free connects. So create your Upwork profile, monthly free connects. On a rising talent badge, complete an Upwork skill certification and redeem connects reward. Create your profile Upwork and monthly free connects. And third is earn a rising talent badge, and the fourth one is complete an Upwork skill certification, and the five is redeem a connects as a reward. So you can just complete this all. You can go to the settings and select the membership connects, and you can also buy it. And if you want to want to free connects, you can just create a new account, and in the 3 days of verification you can get it. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.